Hello, today we're gonna make a special card for sort of winter and Christmas season. This is perfect to give your family, friends, or acquaintance. Okay, now let's cut them out. Alright, so since they'll be standing up, remember to leave a bit of space below them. So let's just draw a straight line underneath them. So when I'm cutting, I'll cut this line first. So you leave a bit of line underneath them to make a stand. Okay, first the dog. I'm just gonna call it this. Just gonna cut a straight line and cut the rest out. Okay, now it's gonna be a little boy. Alright, so we got 3 stuff right here that I'm gonna put on card. I think we could fit in some more. Alright, let's on this paper fold this bottom thing up a little bit. I'm just gonna add one more, and that's gonna be maybe 2. I'm just gonna add 2 more. It's gonna be just presents that we're gonna put on the Christmas tree. So first, alright. So first we're gonna draw a square. You don't have to do this. This is optional since we already have presents in the background. But I'm just gonna put some under the Christmas tree. Okay, now that we're done with the presents, let's put this aside. Pop-up mechanism. So take a green sheet of paper. First do the measurements. So place your ruler at the bottom of the paper. Go up to about 3 centimeters and then draw a small marking there. Alright, now just flip the paper. You see the markings right there. I just go same thing. I go 3 centimeters. Draw a marking over there. Okay. Now we're gonna put our ruler. We'll put the edge right on here and the other edge on the corner. Alright, this should form a right triangle, just like this. And then the other side, do the same thing. And put one corner of our ruler on the mark, and then the other side on the corner. And then we'll draw a diagonal line. Alright, now we're gonna cut these out. So just cut long lines. See, now you have a triangle. Okay, same thing for the other side. Just gonna cut along the lines. There you go. Now you have 2 right triangles. Now we just let's see. Yes, we put them like this. So we take some tape. I'm using double-sided tape. You could use a glue stick if you want to. This is stronger, so I prefer this kind. Tape the edge right here. Or you could apply glue if you want to. And then we're gonna put tape put tape on this one. Take a little bit and then it's a bit hard to read. Put a little bit or put it in the middle. So we're gonna peel off these tape. Again, you can use a glue stick if you want to, but I prefer this kind of tape because it's a lot stronger. Just like that. This is a bit over the edge, so I'm just gonna fold it in. Go. Now we're gonna take these 2 together. Firmly taped together, just like this. Now we're gonna fold the shapes. First, I'm gonna start from here. So look, this overlaps this shape. Fold this shape in. Just do like straight in. Remember, this is overlapping this, and we're folding this one in. So like that. Second, we're gonna take this, fold it in on top. I'm gonna keep doing it, just keep folding. And we want to make sure like the center, like, it's really hard to explain, but the center of the thing is in the center of this. Don't worry if it looks like really small on top, it won't look that bad later on. Alright, so almost done. Just this last one. Alright. So look, if you fold this out, it becomes a Christmas tree. So we're not done yet. First, we have to apply glue to the top so that it stays in place. So take your tape, cut off only a little bit since the space we're taping is really small. If you're using a glue stick, this might be easier since you don't have to like rip off anything. So let's tape it to here, the very bottom right here. Peel it off. Oh, it's a bit sticky. Okay, now I'm gonna put this on top. Then there you go. Fold this up, and we have the top of our Christmas tree. So there's gonna be a pop-up since when a card is closed, it'll be flat. But when the card is opened, you could just pull this. Out pops a Christmas tree. It could stay like there without you pulling. All right. This is done for now. Let's move on to the. Okay, so every Christmas tree has to have like a sort of a star on top of it. So let's draw right now. First, just trace the long triangle that you have top of your tree. Then trace like that. And you see the rough outline of how big it is. Then right above it, just a little bit above, we're gonna draw a triangle, pointy triangle. Then outwards a little bit, a straight line outwards, and connect the bottom like this, and draw 2 straight lines down. Okay, now let's outline it. Only outline the outside, do not outline the inside. Just like that, and draw 2 straight lines down. Now I'm just gonna erase this. And then for the inside, I'm just gonna color a really bright yellow. For the bottom, also bright yellow. Now I'm gonna take light orange to just shade it a little bit. There you go. Now use a scissor to cut it out. Okay, now let's draw some ornaments on the Christmas tree. So we're just gonna draw some circles about the same size, just scattered. Should be enough. And then draw a small box shaped thing on top of each circle. And for the small box shaped thing, we're gonna color it gray. For the ornaments, just use different colors, but remember to leave a highlight to show that it's shining. So, for example, there's a highlight right here. Now if I do the same thing with pink, I'm gonna first draw a tiny circle inside, then leave a highlight. Just gonna leave a highlight for every single one of them. So I'm gonna leave a highlight for turquoise.
Now for this one, I'm gonna color it light green. So just keep switching colors. This one do orange, and then yellow, and then let's do blue, and then a darker blue.
Okay, now time to cut these out. Okay, now we're done the ornaments. It's time to stick them on the tree. So for the tree, we're gonna stick the star facing this way. So this way, you see the other point is tape on the back, so we're not facing that way. We're gonna stick the star to facing this way. This will be the star when the tree stands up. then let's add some ornaments around to the tree. So it won't look like one place had that. Okay, so now that we're done with the drawings, let's piece them together. Alright, so first, let's put the Christmas tree on. So as you can see, our Christmas tree can be folded and unwrapped just like this. So first, we're gonna see which way it faces. So it faces this way when it's stood up. We want the star to face the front, so when pulled all the way, the star faces like this. So we're gonna put it like around this. Yeah. So we're gonna put it so that this part is facing us. Okay, so tape it so like it's a bit tilted. That's gonna face. Okay, so let's retract this for a second. Now let's put on the other people. For Santa Claus, we could put him. Let's do presents first. Alright, for the present, put the presents near the Christmas tree, about right there. Like right about there. For this, alright, now we're moving on to the dog. For the dog, let's just put him around the Christmas tree. Let's put him here. He'll be guarding presents. For this little boy, we're gonna put him behind the dog. And put him right here. For Santa Claus, since he's the biggest character that we're gonna stick on, give him a space of his own. I'll make him stand near the pond, the frozen pond, right here. There we go. Now we stuck everyone on. So the finished result will look a bit like this. So when you pull this up, the tree grows. If you liked the video, please click the like button and subscribe for more awesome content. Thank you. Bye-bye.